Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Subsequently, when respondents had sought option from all contractual employees of their intention to participate in the new selection process, petitioner approached the Central Administrative Tribunal, which dismissed the petition of the petitioner on the ground that the same was premature as he had not made a representation. Stop. Against the order of the tribunal, petitioner approached this court in WP 2444 of 2019 and the division bench by its order dated 12/3/2019 noted that the grievance of the petitioner in relation to office memorandum dated 1/2/2019 calling for options from the serving contractual employees was premature. Stop. The division bench held that petitioners had to give the option either to continue under the existing contract or to opt to participate in the new selection process, and it was for the petitioners to exercise their option in the manner they think fit. Stop. The division bench clarified that it had not gone into any other issue and disposed of the petition by giving petitioners 3 days time to exercise the option to either participate in the new selection process or to continue to serve under the existing contract. Stop. The division bench further noticed the apprehension of the petitioners that their services may be discontinued by engaging other contractual appointees on their posts, and therefore reiterated the earlier decision in WP 1741 of 2014 dated 3/11/2014. Stop. The contention of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the impugned orders dated 4/5/2020 and 16/6/2020 asking the petitioner to give an option to continue till 17/10/2020, failing which the notice dated 16/6/2020 was to be considered as a notice period and his contract would stand terminated as per the terms and conditions of the contract, is in violation of the order dated 12/3/2019 in WP 2444 of 2019 is misplaced. Stop. The office memorandum dated 16/6/2020 records that the Director General Health Services Inquiry Committee has reported that most of the candidates who have been appointed as consultants do not meet the requisite qualification or requisite experience. Stop. It is noticed in the said order that fresh recruitment process for all physicians under purview of DGHS Inquiry Committee has been proposed. Stop. The DGHS Inquiry Committee has also reported that petitioner does not possess the qualification as well as experience for the post of technical officer within bracket surveillance on which petitioner has been appointed. Stop. The term also provides that the contract can be terminated by either side at 15 days notice or payment of 15 days salary in lieu of notice. Stop. Over.